Santa King! Santa King! What's going on, guys? Today's the day. Today is the day for the 500 subscriber giveaway, baby. Let's go. And sponsored by our 500 sub giveaway is Santa Claus. Santa Claus was grateful enough to send me down a couple packages for us. So we got our gift for subscribers, and he even gave me a gift. I have no idea what's in here. So what should we do first for the subscriber giveaway? Well, let's get my gift out of the way first. Let's get my gift out of the way first and see what he gave me. So for Jordan, he gave me an extra note. Give me an extra note. All right, Jordan, I also got you a present. This will help enhance the flames for the furnace. Congrats on the 500. Ho, ho, ho. Like your mother, Santa. You didn't have to bring my mother into this, but let's see what Santa got me. Christmas in January. Let's see what he got me. Mystical fire. We can burn different colors in the fire now. And I always wanted this. And now for you guys, the 500 subscribers. More now, but for the subscribers, for the 500 subscriber giveaway, let's see what you guys can win. We got some goodies in here. Tyranitar All Art from Battle Styles. Let's go. Looks nice too. So that'll be one card for the giveaway. For the Pokemon guys or sports guys, and that box just fell right apart. All right, and for the, no! A pack fell on the ground, must have heat in it, so I'll put that to the side. But my box fell right apart. Okay. Santa's box. So, for the 500 subscriber giveaway, for the Pokemon guys or sports guys if you want, you get a choice. Tyranitar Battle Styles All Art. Because I appreciate you guys so much, I'm doing a banger giveaway because 500 is a big milestone. Ooh, we got a little PSA Patrick Mahomes for the football guys. Studio Red from Chronicles out of 199, Gem Mint 10. You get a choice. And last but not least, for the basketball guys, Kobe Bryant Night Court. Boom! For 2014 Excalibur Night Court insert, low pop, Gem Mint 10. And there goes the Mahomes. So, you guys get a choice between these 3 cards for the 500 subscriber giveaway. And for this giveaway, you guys have to be subscribed. You gotta like this video. And there's 2 ways you can enter. Well, not 2 ways you can enter. There's 2 chances. So the first comment is, comment your favorite Pokemon or your favorite athlete. You can enter twice though if you do another comment and say why you watch my channel. Because I'm curious, why do you guys watch my channel? Is it for the content? Is it for the entertainment? I'm curious. So that second comment can enter you into the giveaway twice. So like this video, be subscribed, and comment your favorite athlete in Pokemon, and you can do another comment saying why you watch my videos. And you guys get a chance to win these 3 cards. I appreciate you guys so much, and I'm giving away a pretty good collection. I mean, these 2 cards right here, I pulled them myself and got them slabbed myself. So, that's for the giveaway. Let's see if I can put the giveaway cards up here without them falling again. These PSA slabs are kind of heavy. Okay, I got the camera all adjusted so you can see everything. But, can't end the video now. We gotta go round 3, baby. Crown Zenith, 10 packs, round 3. These packs haunt me. They haunt me. I can't pull anything on camera, these guys. This is our time. This is our time to shine. Let's get it. Psychic, Gloom, Great Ball, Graveler, Meowth, Energy Retrieval, Shinx, La Vista, Poniard. It's not gonna be one of these videos again. We got energy, 500 subscriber giveaway, I'm giving away some heat. Come on, Pokemon, bless me with something awesome. Come on, Fire, Metang, Energy Switch, Trekking Shoes, Baltoy, Meowth, Wailmer, Shinx, Corpfish. Trekking Shoes, Friends, Pancham, Snorunt, Rockruff, Tangela, Baltoy, Ultra Ball. I can't win. These packs haunt me. They haunt me. I can't pull anything. I'm giving away some banger cards for the loyal subscribers. And then I thought maybe Crown Zenith would, pull through for me. Good karma, Nope. Dusclops, Pancham, Switch, Snorunt, Larvista, Tangela. Okay, we'll take a Manaphy. Galarian Gallery. I hate this guy! Marking the halfway point. We're marking the halfway point, and we have pulled 1. That's cool. Got some good accuracy. We've pulled 1. Good one. Hammer, Dusclops, Gribbon, Skeel, Heptile, Wooloo, Shinx, Coughing, and... Just give me a second. Just let me think. Okay, I'm done thinking. 5 packs left. Grass, Catcher, Bisharp, Duo, Search, Grubbin, Skrill, Wooloo, Heptile. We pulled something! Yes! I don't know if this is like super good, but Hoopa V alternate art. He's digging for treasure. He likes treasure. Not Leafa. I always pull this guy. But Hoopa V alternate art. Let's go. Leafeon V-Star, we'll put that there for now because we gotta keep the giveaway stuff up there for people just to take it in and be excited. We pulled something though. Not like a monster pull, but something. Darkness, Vacuum, Luxo, Digging Duo, Sunkern, Bidoof, Coughing, Sandalit, Purloin, Rescue Carrier, and, okay, a little Entei, Hollow, nice. 3 packs left. If I see a Tangrowth in here, Water, Carrier, Giraffe, Pincushion, Mr. Mime, Sunkern, Coughing, Oddish, Sandalit, Oddish. Crocodonk, Ultra Ball, Friends, Yama, Poniard, Crocodonk, Cha-Cha-Tat, Mr. Mime. Ooh, we'll take that. Ooh, get a double banger. We'll take a Latias. Nice. Last pack mojo. I don't know what it was about that squirrel Pokemon, but I hated it. I don't know what it was about his face. I don't know. Last pack mojo though. Grass, Lunatoon, Soul Rock, Lost Vacuum Potion, Aaron, Corphish, Energy Search, Scyther, Reverse Hollow, Lightning Energy, and a Zodorora. Nice little reverse hollow. They always have scratches right there though for some reason. But 10 little packs. 10 little packs didn't do horrible. For the giveaway, remember guys, before you leave, for the giveaway, you guys get a choice between this Tyranitar V Alt Art, the best card you can pull from Battle Styles. Patrick Mahomes PSA 10 out of 199. Red, team color. And a Night Court insert low population Gem Mint 10 of Kobe. You guys get to pick one of these, and all you guys gotta do is like, comment your favorite athlete or Pokemon, and do a different comment and comment why you watch my channel and be subscribed. Let's go guys, we hit 500. I appreciate every single one of you, and I'll be back with another video soon.